10th class 10th class page number 15 example 7 show that root 2 is an irrational number. Show that root 2 is an irrational number. Solution. We can show or we can prove by a method of contradiction. We can prove or show by method of contradiction. Let us assume that root 2 is a rational number. Root 2 is a rational number. Root 2 is a rational number. So therefore, root 2 is equal to R by S. Root 2 is equal to R by S, where R and S are integers and S not is equal to 0. R and S are integers and S not is equal to 0. Dividing R and S by their HCF. Dividing R and S by their HCF, highest common factor. Then we get root 2 is equal to A by B. Root 2 is equal to A by B, where A and B are co-primes. A and B are co-primes because there is no common factor among A and B. So that is why they are co-primes. Let it be statement 1. So transposing B to left side, we get B root 2 is equal to A, and squaring on both sides, B root 2 whole square is equal to A square. That is B square 2 is equal to A square. Now from here we can conclude that 2 is factor of A square. 2 is factor of A square. Therefore 2 divides A square. 2 divides A square. Therefore 2 also divides A. 2 also divides A. Let it be statement 2. Now from this 2 divides A, that means 2 divides A. So therefore if we divide A by 2, we get coefficient C and remainder 0. Therefore A is equal to 2C plus 0. That can be written as A is equal to 2C. So this can be written as that. What is that? B square 2 A square is equal to B square 2. Okay, that can be written as B square 2 is equal to 2C whole square. So it is equal to B square 2 is equal to 4C square. Now 2 is common on both sides. Removing that common factor, we get B square is equal to 2C square. From here we conclude that 2 is factor of B square. 2 is factor of B square. Therefore 2 divides B square. Therefore 2 also divides B. 2 also divides B. So let it be statement 3. Now if you see the statement second and statement third, statement second and statement third, 2 is common factor for A and B. 2 is common factor for A and B. From statement 1, statement 2 and 3, we conclude that 2 is common factor of A and B. Therefore, A and B are not co-primes. A and B are not co-primes. Let it be statement 4. Statement 1 and statement 4 are contradict to each other. Statement 1 and statement 4 are contradict to each other. So thus this contradiction has arisen because of our assumption. This contradiction arises because of our assumption. What is that? Root 2 is a rational number. What our assumption is root 2 is a rational number. So is our assumption is right? No, our assumption is wrong. Our assumption is wrong. That is why that is root 2 is a rational number. What is the right one? Root 2 is a rational number. Okay, right.